Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to explore AR verbs. We're going to do this with a PACE lesson, presentation, attention to form, co-construction, extension, and we are going to do that using my family's summer vacation when we went to Puerto Rico in June 2009. Remember, your job is to watch the verb. What does it mean, and how is it changing? Vamos. La familia Santiago en vacación en Puerto Rico, junio 2009. Yo descanso. Yo descanso. John is talking and he says to his mom with attitude, ¿Tú hablas conmigo? ¿Tú hablas conmigo? John mira a la iguana. John mira a la iguana. Can you see the iguana? Look in the inset picture. There he is by the gate. Muy bien. Ellos nadan. Ellos nadan. Nosotros visitamos a la familia. Nosotros visitamos a la familia. AR verbs. Now that you saw the verb in context, let's take a look at that red highlighted verb. And to make it a little bit easier to explore, I'm only going to use the verb nadar. Yo nado en la playa. ¿Tú nadas después de la escuela? Carla nada en la piscina. Nosotros nadamos en el verano. Señor Santiago y John nadan en la playa. Now take a look at the verb nadar and ask yourself, what do you notice? How does this verb compare to other verbs that we've already learned? Is there a pattern with these changes? Look closely. Take a minute. Nado, nadas, nada, nadamos, nadan. They're all coming from the infinitive nadar in the upper right-hand corner. What do you see? Nadar. Did you notice that they all have endings? O, as, a, amos, an. Did it remind you of jugar? Yes, that's right. When you think about it, it is a chop and add. Step 1, you chop off the AR ending and you're left with the root or the stem nad. So you take the stem and then you change the ending to conjugate. Yo, o, to as. One person, one vowel. Os, os. Together they go in the van. an. Muy bien. All regular AR verbs will follow the same pattern. O, as, a, amos, an. O, as, a, amos, an. Here's an example in context. I took this picture when I was in Plaza Las Americas in San Juan. It was an under construction sign. What is David Beckham saying that he's doing? Yo pinto. Pintar is an AR verb. That's right, I paint. Yo pinto. This is our first group of verbs, the AR verbs. How many AR verbs are there? Well, there's 162 of the most common verbs, and if you look, IR is the smallest group, ER is the second, and look at all the AR verbs. And this is not all of them. This is only the most common verbs. There are 12,290 verbs. But don't worry, you don't need to know them all. Gracias.